Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find these videos to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. In this video, we are going to learn the concept of apply, also, run, let and with functions in Android application using Kotlin language. Whenever we see any program anywhere on YouTube and another, in each and every program we always see these word apply, with, let, also, and we confused then what is the use of this, and we do not have a simple example also on YouTube on other websites. So here I am taking a very simple example, just a simple calculator type of program in which we have a 2 number, and whenever we click on the individual buttons like sum, it will display sum. I click on subtract, it will display subtract, then division, then multiplication. And you see that this is the first example for each and every programming language whenever we start the learning. So that's why I choose this program to understand the concept of these functions. It's a very simple but we have to use these as per the simple examples I'm taking. So just you see that how we can use these. So simple designing, we have the layout as given. Now I'm starting the coding. Already I have just enabled the view binding, and you know that what is view binding. If you don't know, please see my video on view binding. View binding is a method to remove find by view ID method, and in place of this, just by using this binding keyword we can access all the buttons and text box. So here with the help of apply, also, with, let, run, we are going to calculate the sum, subtraction, division, multiplication. So just binding dot btn, then btn sum first of all, dot set on click listener, like this. Now what I do, just I check that if these number like binding dot txt num1 or num2 dot text is not empty, and same binding dot txt num2 dot text dot is not empty. If both are not empty, then we will do else. We can give toast information that please insert value, and then just we display the okay. If is not empty means something we have written here, we have entered the some number, then what I do, I just get this number. So how I will take, first of all just I create a one class. With the help of that class I will explain you. So I take one class value, and in this class I have a variable num1 int type equal to 0, where num2 int equal to 0, like this. So here I will use the object of this class. I say where numbers equal to values dot apply. You see I'm using here the apply method. So I'm creating an object here, but I'm using a apply. Okay, so here this is coming, this means the object. So I say num1 equal to num1, this num1 is equal to binding dot text num1 dot text dot to string dot to int, like this. Again I just copy this one and I change to num2 here, and here also num2. You see I'm using apply here. So under this I am using all the statements. I am writing all the statements of initializing the property of this class using apply. And here I can print the toast again. This toast I can print. It will display sum. So here just I say sum equal to num1 plus num2. You see, so we have, with the help of apply, very simple, with the help of apply, very simply we have written a code, and we know that this class having these two variables. So we have initialized the variable and we just calculate the sum and display here. So with the help of apply we did this all the operations. If I start to run it and execute it, so you will see the example. You see, if I enter here number, I say 12 and I say 12 and I click on sum, so we have a sum equal to 24. Perfectly it working. One operation performed with the help of apply. Same operation I will do now with the help of other method. So that method would be, so I just copy paste here, and in place of sum I say sub, because it's a subtraction. Same condition apply, but here in place of this I write also. You see, and just I change the also here, automatically it come here. Remember that this has changed. Already we had a this, we have a this here in apply, here it change. Okay, that is the change between apply and also. So in place of directly accessing number, I said it dot num1 like this, and I say it dot num2 like this. Same I will do here, it dot num1 and it dot num2. You see, and in place of sum I say subtraction and I say minus. Okay, simple, nothing special, only some changes I did, and same kind of operation will be performed by this also. I run it and you see that change. You see, I just insert here 45 and here I insert the 40. If I click on sum, you see sum is coming. If I click on subtraction, you see 5 is coming. Nothing special, just some changes, only I inserted it in front of this variable because it show it here that represent the this object. Now third one, for division, just copy paste and I convert this button to div, same condition checking, and in place of this apply I change to run. Okay, you see, in a run automatically we have a this. Okay, and with this run we can get result also here, and we can do the same also like this. I am doing, I just do subtraction here, division here, and I say division. Okay, same thing as we did in apply, but in apply, you see, in apply it return an object here, but here in run it return the something else. I show you. Just first of all I just give you some default option that it will run automatically without any problem. I just run it once again, then I show you second thing in run. So I just insert again number 45 and I say 2. You see, if I say sum, running. If I say subtraction, then it is also running. If I say division, so it is also running. You see, coming, no problem. One thing more we can do with run, that if I say num1 slash num2 like this, and I just out this from this object and I come here, so here I can print the number like this. I'm printing here number. Remember that I just cut it and paste outside of this brackets, means outside of the run I print the toast, and here I write the last line. So this last line result will go to this number and this number will display here. The same thing, but it is not in apply, it is on in run only. So run execute your task and return the last line result to the left side variable. So we have again same result we will have. You see, I say 45 and I say 2, I click on sum, I click on subtraction and I click on division. You see, same result is coming, but earlier this toast was inside this, so it will returning the output. Here we have the output of this result in this number and we display the number. This is the change. So you can use run as also as apply also, and otherwise it will run like this. Now the last one is what we have, the multiplication. So just I copy paste again and I say here mul like this, and here I use the let now. You see, just I change the let and you see automatically we have a it. So here I can write here it, and here I just write the it, and remember that also like this. So it is also returning a let, means the result is coming here and we can display result. So let is working and behaving like a run. So I execute again once again, but it is multiplication, so I have to change into multiplication also, and here I have to change to multiply. Okay, now I start again. So here just I enter 45 and 2, and you see sum is coming, subtraction is coming, division is coming, and multiplication is also coming, no problem. So we can use it like this, and if I want to put this inside this, I can also do, no problem at all. Just I have to remove this to this way inside it. You see, if I don't want to take return value, so no need to write it, so I can use it like this also, and I run it, same result I will have. Just put here 45 and 2 and we have a multiplication as 90, no result change, same result. Now with the help of, we can say with, we can do like these things. So just I make it comment first of all, and I just copy first of all this one. Once again I paste and I make this comment. Okay, and in place of let I change it to with. Okay. And you see we can't use with like this. How we will use with? We will use with like this. First of all create a object and then inside this I use number like this. Okay, now this is coming here, and now if we have already created an object, now we can use this with clause. So it also having it this, so remove this it, and now with the help of with, if you already created an object then you want to use such kind of thing, so you can use like this with an object inside this. No need to put number dot 1, number dot 2. Repetition of this number will remove by using with, and same result we can get. You see I just start once again and the same result I will have. You see if I write here once again 2 and I multiply, so with the help of with we also having a same result. So you have seen the use of let, with, run, also and apply with a simple calculation example. It's very simple. Now you can understand easily that how you can use these. All are just look like a similar concept, but little bit differences are there. So I have explained you all the differences, and with a simple example I have tried to explain you. I think you understand each and every concept of these functions. Close, with, also, apply, let, run, all are simple to understand just with a simple example as I shown you here in this example. So if you learn anything from this video, please like this video, share this video and consider this channel to be subscribed, and thank you for watching this video.